Hey, I really want to do this video to kind of showcase that it's okay to lose clients. What I mean is we had 5 potential jobs that were coming in, filtering in throughout the last 7 days. And all 5 of them are now basically dead. They're not going anywhere further. And I know a lot of you would go, wow, 5. I would have at least expected 1 or 2 of them to come through. Or at least, I would wanted all of them. 5 jobs. Why wouldn't you want them? Well, in all honesty, when I start to tell you the reasons why, you'll notice that there are warning signs, and I'm glad that I kind of even killed them off or they didn't go any further. And I'm going to go through them really, really quickly, and I hope they resonate. By the way, we have had other jobs come in which are going to be leading onto projects and things, so it's not all a bad week. But the clear message I want to make clear is don't go chasing bad things. If you have a warning or a signal that kind of makes you go, this could be a difficult client or a bad relationship, or they're going to want more out of me and they don't value my time or what I do, don't agree to it. Even if you haven't had a job in 2 or 3 weeks or 2 months, don't just agree to anything where you are going to be working your socks off and not getting remunerated for that value of that. Okay, so the first one was where we agreed a price to make over a website. There was an existing website. So this is the first one. We had it wasn't ours. It was someone built a website. It was already built. Okay. Now we had to do a full-on makeover. The page speed performance of their page wasn't great. A lot of it was due to how they built it, right? And I had a look at it, and I did say to them that if you were to just improve the way you've done your back-end structure with your plugins and all of that, your page could go from, say, 35% to 97%. Sorry, it was 97%. But the final 3%, even on a blank page, you will never get because of your server. And I made that clear. And I made that clear throughout the process. We are not going to work with your server or anything like that because we've never worked with that server. But we will do whatever we need to do to make over your website. And we went through a discussion over that, right? The changes, the slider, animations, we went over loads of that, so we knew the changes. The client then paid the deposit. Within 12 hours, they changed their tune. Right, now I need you to contact the server. I need you to sort out the server speed. I need you to do X, Y, Z. I need you to communicate them because they did something 6 months ago and they don't know what they did. I don't know what they did. You get in touch. I was like, hold up. This is not the agreement. And you know what I did? Out of the kindness of my heart, I fully refunded it. I went, we're not working together. We're not working together. No, I fully refunded their deposit. That job is dead. And I'll tell you why I'm really glad. I'm glad I found out now rather than 2 or 3 or 4 days later where we've now started building out their homepage and now things get rocky. I hate it when that happens, right? When you think things are good and then suddenly they turn all, crazy on you or whatever. And I'm not naming any names here, but the minute they switch to that kind of attitude or that persona, you don't want to go there. And it was a lucrative deal. I'm not going to lie to you. It was a lucrative deal. But you know what? I prefer to sleep well at night. So that job is gone. Job number 2. This is where the client has already purchased a theme. The theme is basically a Gutenberg block theme, basically, right? It's all built within the theme. It's not with Elementor or Bricks or any other solution, right? It's not even Blocksy. It's just a Gutenberg block theme. It's not even Generate Press or anything, right? So it's a theme. And they want to use Elementor Pro. And they want to use exactly how the theme looks. And I said to them, you're not going to be able to do that. What you could do is do a 90% replication of what they've got in Elementor Pro. There might be a few little bits you can't fully replicate unless you really want to get dirty with code and stuff like that. But we can't do a full-on replication, but we can do as best as we can do, and it will be pretty damn good at that as well. But you can't use the theme and Elementor Pro. You can use Elementor Pro for other pages, but I showed them. Just look at the home page. You've got to go to Theme Customizer, and there's all pre-built settings. You can't even move things unless you want to get dirty with the theme editor, a child theme. And when I said to them, that's all good and well, but then what if things break and then you've got to always be paying a coder or someone to mess around with it forever in the future? You're going to lose control. And now that job is it's kind of gone into limbo, and I'm not entirely sure what they're doing, but I've got a feeling it's not going to go any further with me, definite, because I've been very clear. I am not going to create a child theme and start hacking the theme. I'm not going to do that. You know, you want it in Elementor Pro, we can build it in Elementor Pro from scratch, but I am not now going down the theme hacker route. So that's job number 2. And that's down to what I call uneducated purchases. Oh, I really like the look of this theme and template. Did you even check it was Elementor Pro? No, but it's WordPress, right? No, that's not how it works, right? It's like taking a WP Bakery theme, purely built in WP Bakery. I want to use Elementor Pro. No, you're going to have to rebuild it now. Every new page and post you could do in Elementor, you know, Pro or whatever, and any other theme as well, bricks and loads of other stuff. But the pages, the header, the footer that's been purely built in WP Bakery, we either rebuild it from scratch, or you just use what they got and accept that you can't use Elementor Pro. And a lot of people don't seem to understand that. They just go out and buy what looks pretty, and then they go, oh, but I can't tweak it. Right, okay, the third site, and I'm going to talk more about this in a video I'm releasing on Monday as well. This is about where a client wants quite a few stuff on their website, where they're selling courses and online videos and stuff like that you can view them doing stuff. Okay, it's all good stuff, by the way. Okay, don't any of you get any bad thoughts in your head. And they want it to be built for £500. My cost is 10 times that. But in the Monday video, I'll give you a breakdown of that and how they could adjust it to bring the costs down if they really want, and they're okay to manage the risk of that as well. But basically, no, I've made it very clear to them, I am not going to drop my prices down to that. Here's a breakdown of the prices of what the cost is. £5,000. If you want to get down to 500, you're going to have to make a lot of sacrifices over your one. But if we lose that job, I'm not really that bothered, because I'll tell you now, our minimum basic price for a website, a basic one-page website, right, basic is £920. I am not building you a fully fleshed out, automated course selling website for £500. It ain't happening. You might want to do it, but I'm not doing that. Number 4, though, the 4th job we've lost is a plugin. I'm not going to name them. They've been around for about 14, 15 months now. Maybe even, in fact, I think it's longer. I think it's 16 months they've been around now. And I did promote them when they first came out, because I was like, wow, this is a really good plugin. And I even spoke to their head, the owner of the company as well, and they were happy with the video I did for them for free. And I said, hey, yeah, you can use it on your promotions. Go for it. Don't mind. One of their representatives contacted me yesterday. And what they said was, can you do another video? And I said, yeah, but the way we work now is you're going to have to pay for our time. Our video will be honest. No script, right? We're not going to say what you want us to say. I will do it my way, and I'll be really honest about, is it good? Is it worth it? How do you use it and all of that? Okay, and there is a cost for the time for us to do that. Okay, look, a lot of you might go, why are you being paid for it? Well, they approached me. If I was going to do a video off my back, which I have done for lots of plugins, there's no cost. I decided to do it. So I can't say to the company, hey, I'm going to do a video, now pay me. It doesn't work like that. But if they approach me and they would like me to do a video, fine, I'll do a video, but you're going to have to pay me. Doesn't mean you're always going to get, oh, this is lovely. You got to buy it. You got to use this. I'll be really honest. They came back to me and said, yeah, yeah, okay, fine, $25. $25. If you want a 1-hour consultation with me, it's $150. £120, $150, round about that point, okay? $25. I'm going to have to do prep work. To make this plugin work on your WordPress site, I have to do some prep work. Okay, I have to get some images and stuff. I'm not going to talk about the name of the plugin, but I've got to do some stuff. So I've got to do prep work, record, edit, upload, release. You're looking at a minimum of 3 hours. Minimum of 3 hours. My time for 3 hours is worth more than $25. So unless you up your price, it is not happening. Do not undervalue yourself. And some people have said, yeah, but if you do it, it's great. But I'm telling you now, I am not going to start giving up time to create a video. Right now, I'm doing videos for you right now. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just a video I'm putting out there. But it's on my time. I've decided to do this. But if any plugin or companies out there watching this want me to record a video, Look, if you're completely brand new and you have no following base and you've got hardly any users, I might chip in and help you out a bit, okay? And I might go, yeah, okay, I'll help you get some promo out there. And I might even do it for free because I have done that for some. But this plugin has got a big following base. It has got a lot of users. They have made money. I am not giving you my time for a low value $25. $25 isn't even going to get me a KFC bucket meal to feed my family. So, sorry, ain't happening. And the fifth thing was someone contacted us on the back of Elemental Experts, and they wanted us to replicate a website. And I basically gave them a cost, and it wasn't even a huge cost. It was quite a decent cost. They were gobsmacked. You could literally tell in their reply, I did not know it was going to cost this much. Oh my, what? And again, the reality check has to kick in here. A lot of people assume that you are going to take inspiration from another website, its look and feel. I did say to them, we can't do a full-on copy. You're going to have to like modify, okay, to make it work for you. But we can do all of that. And it's like a 5-page website, and there's quite some funky stuff going on it. And here's a decent price for you. There's no SEO included in there. There's no, rank math or anything like that. I'm just going to do your website for you. Here's a decent cost. And they were gobsmacked because they've fallen into that mindset of the low costing price. Yeah, but I thought you could do it for 150 or 200. Reality check, people. All right? Reality check. I'm in the UK. All right? I am not going to be building a fully fleshed out website for £200. So 5 websites or 5 jobs, one of them was a plugin, okay? They've kind of gone like that. I'm not upset. I've put it out there, I'm letting you know. And the reason I'm letting you know is because it happens. It happens. Don't chase shit, okay? You can chase shit all day long and you're just going to get shit back, okay? Don't go running after the client that undervalues you. Don't go giving away free time. Don't continue working with someone who goes, right, now do this. This is not what we agreed. Made clear, I'm not going to sort out your issue with your email that is something that you actually caused with Google a while ago. And even a year on, you still haven't got it sorted out. Even though you're talking to them directly, that's not my problem. Your server, who you pay a lot, I mean, I'm not even going to talk about it, but they're paying like $140 a month for this hosting provider service, and they're not even 24/7 in terms of when you contact their support desk, right? And you're paying $140 a month, and I now need to contact them to sort out something that's nothing to do with me. Nothing to do with me, right? Why should you deal with those kind of clients? So I'm just letting you know, you can stand your ground, okay? You don't need to work on jobs that are going to stress you out, keep you up at night, give you problems, and like affect your health and well-being. You are in control, and it's better to walk away. It's better to hold your head up high, or whatever part of yourself you want to hold up high. It's okay to do that and walk away, because other jobs will come in, and other jobs you will win, and those jobs you are going to enjoy working on. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. And don't get upset, because I'm not upset. I'm feeling happy. Take care. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, 'cause I sing.